Hi everyone, this will be the second video on geographical perspective on selected issues and problems. Here in this video, we will discuss about air pollution. A larger proportion of contaminants like dust, fumes, gas, fog, odor, smoke or vapor in air for long duration is known as air pollution. It may be harmful to flora and fauna as well as the cultural and natural properties. There is an increase in emission of poisonous gases into the atmosphere because of increasing use of various fuels for energy in various sectors. Thus, it results the air pollution. The main sources of air pollution are combustion of fossil fuels, mining, and industries, which release oxides of sulfur and nitrogen, hydrocarbon, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, lead, and asbestos. Here you can see six common pollutants: carbon monoxide, ground level ozone, lead, sulfur dioxide, particulated matter, nitrogen oxide. What are the sources of air pollution? Here you can see it is a diagram made by World Health Organization. According to it, industry and energy supply, transport, waste management, dust, agricultural particles, household energies are the main sources of air pollution. Effects of air pollution. The effects of air pollution are as follows. Air pollution is responsible for many diseases related to our respiratory, nervous, and circulatory systems. Air pollution is responsible for creating smoky fog over cities, which is known as urban smoke. It has negative effects on human health. Air pollution is also responsible for acid rain. First rain after summer in urban areas always show high acidic nature of rainwater. That is, it shows lower pH level than the subsequent. Here I must see mention Kolkata, Hyderabad, Bengaluru, Delhi, Chennai are the main cities where acid rain has been seen for many years. Here you can see air pollution, the silent killer. Mainly death causes in Southeastern Asia, over 2 million per year. Here you can observe the silent killer all over the world. Now, noise pollution. Noise pollution refers to a noise that causes a condition which is unbearable and uncomfortable for human beings. This noise can be from various sources. It is a recent phenomenon which became a serious concern only after a variety of technological innovation. The level of steady noise is measured by a sound level expressed in the terms of decibels. Factories, mechanized construction and demolition work, automobiles, and aircraft are major sources of noise that cause noise pollution. Apart from these, there are also some periodic sources of noise pollution, such as siren, loudspeaker in different festivals and programs, and other activities of different communities. Noise produced by traffic is a major source of noise pollution. It creates a huge inconvenience to the people. Intensity and nature of noise made by traffic is dependent on various factors such as type of vehicles like aircraft, train, vehicle, condition of road and condition of vehicle, increase of automobiles, increase traffic, the noise pollution is limited to the harbor because of loading and unloading artilleries of containers. Next, noise pollution from industries is also a serious problem, but its intensity varies because of some factors such as type of industries, type of machines and tools. Intensity of noise pollution increases as distance from source of pollution. Here, industrial areas, arteries of transportation, airport, etc. Thus, noise pollution is location specific. Where the noise creates, there will be a pollution. Here you can see a picture of noise pollution affecting human being. Effects of noise pollution. Noise pollution is a major cause of anxiety, tension, and some other mental problem and disorder among people in many metropolitan and big cities in India. Effects of noise pollution: increased stress, irritation, nervousness, sleep disturbance, increased blood pressure. Urban waste disposal. Overcrowding, congestion, increasing population, improper infrastructure and facilities to support this population, lack of sanitation, pollution, polluted air, etc. are some features of urban air. Mismanagement of solid waste and environmental pollution caused by them has now become a major problem. Solid wastes are a variety of old and used articles. For example, stained small pieces of metal, broken glass, ware, plastic containers, polythene bags, essays, floppies, CDs, etc. dumped at different places. These discarded materials are also known as refuges, garbage and rubbish, etc. and are disposed of from two sources, that is household or domestic establishment and industrial sources. Public land or private contractors' sites are used to dispose of household or domestic wastes. Low-lying public ground are used to dispose of industrial solid waste by public facilities. Industries, thermal power, houses and building construction and demolitions are contributing with more turnout of ashes and debris as solid wastes. Urban waste disposal. Disposal of industrial wastes has increased because of the concentration of industrial units in and around urban centers. Urban waste is a bigger problem in small towns and cities than metropolitan cities in the country. About 90% of solid waste is collected and disposed of successfully in Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Bangalore, and other metropolitan cities. About 30 to 50% solid waste in other towns and cities in the country is not collected and disposed of properly. It is a major problem because it accumulates on streets, in open spaces, between houses, and in wastelands, and can cause various health problems. Here you can see the urban waste disposal. Sources of urban waste. Here, rubber, leather, and textiles contribute 5% of the waste, wood 4%, food 12%, yard trimming 3%, others 10%, paper and paperboard 39%, which is in more percentage, glass 4%, metal 7%. These are the sources of urban waste. Thank you for watching the video.